Βασική μορφή ανανεώσιμων πηγών ενέργειας στην Κύπρο φυσικά είναι η ηλιακή. Είμαστε η πρώτη ανακάτοικος σε εγκατάσταση ηλιακό θερμικό για παραγωγή νερού χρήσης και το όραμά μας είναι να επαναληφθεί αυτή η επιτυχημένη στρατηγική και στην περίπτωση των φωτοβολταϊκών.
Solar is in the top. It's working, there's a lot of investigation, a lot of research, and the results are there. It's becoming more and more efficient and more profitable in economic sense. Definitely solar plays a key role, especially in those countries like Cyprus and Spain, which are benefited by the sun.
These systems are developed and manufactured here, using European technology. Spain is the country where concentrated solar power is most developed, with more than 2 gigawatts in operation, and is now transferring this experience to the production of heat for industrial processes. In fact, the largest solar industrial heat plant in Europe was completed in Seville last year. All this experience and the lessons learned can now be applied in similar projects all around the south of Europe.
Καθότι η Κύπρος δεν έχει πολύ μεγάλη πραγματικά βαριά βιομηχανία, θα έλεγα ότι οι στόχοι είναι απαιτητικοί, αλλά δεν πρέπει να τους βλέπουμε ως τρομερά εμπόδια για την εξέλιξη της Κύπρου. Υπάρχουν πολλές ευκαιρίες, χρειάζονται σημαντικές επενδύσεις στην αρχή, θα ωφελήσουν πολύ στη συνέχεια.
So Cyprus has to take advantage of the high solar potential to actually produce cheaper and greener energy. Obviously, primary source would be always photovoltaics. I mean, currently it's the cheapest way to produce electricity, and that I don't think it will change in the next few years. But electricity is not only the only form of energy. Energy is also heat, and the local industry needs 70% of heat and 25% of electricity. To have heat from electricity, you have to convert it. But why to do so if you can get it directly from concentrated solar thermal technologies?